Chad had his Mackinac Island shirt on today. I have the same one except in short sleeve. I can't see the back of mine, so I like to admire it when he's got his on. So after Dunkirk, we were on our way to Buffalo. We had to take our top down so we could fit underneath of the bridges. We had a lot of great weather, so far it's been a great ride. As we said goodbye to the Great Lakes, we stopped in North Tonawanda at Dockside Bar and Grill. There was a city wall that we were able to connect to with water and electric. Took a walk down to the railroad tracks, which were really cool. There's this huge cement block on there, which we thought was a little odd, but also cool. So I made dinner and took in the views. A lot of people walking by saying hello, and so it's great to meet new people. Chad and I docked for the night in Lockport, New York, at Lock 34 and 35. We walked into town where we ran into two of the guys who were docked at the same dock as us. They brought their jet skis out from Canada for the day. So it was really great to chat with them, Kevin and Taylor. It was nice meeting you. So overall, Lockport was incredible. We really enjoyed it. Big Ditch Brewing, great beer, great company. And so we made our way back to the boat to find something smelling funny. Turns out our toast or our microwave is completely toasted. So stay tuned to see if we're able to get a replacement. And shout out to the dock tenders or the lock tenders for throwing that out for us.